Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle. Today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2009, and I have a few stocks to talk to you about for Thursday. The first stock out the gate is stock symbol BEXP. That's Brigham Exploration Company, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a look in the volume area, you will notice that the stock did end the day with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. The average daily volume was about 3.19 million, and the stock ended the day trading with a volume of 3.3 million, which is heavier than the average. So what we're looking for is a break of the pivot point right here at about $7.75 to $7.80, and the stock ended the day trading at $7.67, up 16 cents or 2.13% on the upside. Next up is stock symbol NPHC. That's Nutrapharma Corp, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And if you have a look in the volume area, you notice that the stock did end the day with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock. The average daily volume was about 1.34 million, as the stock ended the day with volume of about 3.5 million. And what we are looking for is a price break of the pivot point right here between 35 cents to 40 cents in order to take the stock a lot higher. And the stock ended the day trading at 33 cents, up 50% on the day. So please keep NPHC, that's Nutrapharma Corp, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside in trading on Thursday. Next is stock symbol FSLR. That's First Solar Incorporated, which trades on the NASDAQ. And if you have a close look at this chart, right here in the volume area, this stock basically needs to move with higher than average volume coming into the price of the stock, as the stock ended the day with volume of about 3.6 million, and the average daily volume is about 3.76 million. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock in order to take it to the upside. And also we are looking for a break of the pivot point right here between $121.25 to $121.30, and as well as a move above its 5 and 10 day moving average in order to take it a lot higher. And the stock did end the day trading at about $118.32, up $3.34 or 2.90% on the upside. But we are looking for a break of that pivot point, like I mentioned, between $121.25 to $121.30. So please keep First Solar, that stock symbol FSLR, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside. Next up is stock symbol GSPG. That's Gold Spring Incorporated, which trades on the OTC bulletin board. And what we are looking for is a price break of the pivot point right here between 0.013 cents to 0.015 cents in order to take this stock a lot higher. But what we need to see as well is heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock, which we got today, and the average daily volume was about 12.9 million. The stock ended the day with volume of about 25.6 million, and we need to continue seeing heavier than average volume in order to take the stock a lot higher, as well as a break, like I mentioned, of the pivot point between 0.013 cents to 0.015 cents, as the stock ended the day trading at 0.012 cents, up 25% on the day. But like I mentioned, please keep GSPG, that's Gold Spring Incorporated, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside on Thursday. Last but not least on the WizzWatch radar is stock symbol BZ. That's Boyce Incorporated, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this chart in the volume area, you will notice that the stock ended with heavier than average volume coming into the price of the stock today. The average daily volume is 1.74 million, as the stock ended the day with volume of about 1.9 million. And we are looking for a break of the pivot point right here between $5.10 to $5.15 in order to take this stock a lot higher, as well as a break of the 5 and 10 day moving averages. And the stock ended the day trading at about $4.60, up 44 cents or 10.58% on the upside. So please keep Boyce Incorporated, that stock symbol BZ, as well as the other stocks that I mentioned, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day and happy trading. This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.